Essynce, good evening. My name is Chris Powell at Tameron Honda. I wanted to thank you for the opportunity. I cannot wait to meet you tomorrow, but I wanted to show you some of the examples of Honda Accords I have. I have them all the way up from the beautiful Honda Accord Sport. You can get an EXL trim package all the way up to the Touring. So give me a call. I cannot wait to meet you tomorrow. I'm going to have an Accord portal before you get here. If you have any questions between now and then, give me a call, 205-623-6028. In essence, if I can promise you one thing, when you make it into Tameron, you're going to love the way you treat it.